ITC Limited is a well-known diversified conglomerate in India that has business interests in several sectors, including FMCG, fast-moving consumer goods, hotels, paperboards and packaging, and agribusiness. The company is headquartered in Kolkata, West Bengal, and was founded in 1910 as the Imperial Tobacco Company of India Limited. Over the years, ITC has evolved into a massive conglomerate, with a significant presence in the Indian economy and a considerable market capitalization. ITC's stock is listed on both the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, and the National Stock Exchange, NSE, in India. The company's stock is widely traded on both exchanges, and it has a reputation for being a steady long-term investment option. The stock is part of several major stock indices, including the S&P BSE Sensex and the Nifty 50. ITC's shares have historically been considered a relatively safe investment option due to the company's stable performance and consistent dividend payments. The company has paid dividends consistently since 1975, and it has one of the highest dividend yields in the Indian stock market. In recent years, however, ITC's share price has faced some challenges due to changes in government policies and shifts in consumer preferences. For example, the Indian government has imposed higher taxes on tobacco products, which has impacted ITC's cigarette business. Additionally, the rise of e-commerce and online shopping has affected ITC's FMCG business, which has faced increased competition from new, online-only brands. Despite these challenges, ITC has continued to invest in new products and services, such as its popular line of luxury hotels under the ITC Hotels brand. The company has also expanded its agribusiness division, which includes a range of products such as wheat, rice, and spices. Investors considering investing in ITC's shares should conduct thorough research and consult with financial experts before making any investment decisions. As with all investments, there are risks associated with investing in ITC, and the value of the company's shares can be impacted by a variety of factors, including changes in government policies, fluctuations in global markets, and shifts in consumer preferences.